Adorable morning. Today the session is powered by Mrs. Lata Prasad. Let us learn today what is future continuous or future progressive. The rest all the classes we were dealing simple, present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Next category comes under past tense, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Now already I explained about simple future. Now the next category is future continuous or future progressive. So what is future progressive? Something that happening and continuing in future. The action not even started. If it start only, it will continue. So that is, and if the action start in the future, that will be continuing in the future. In short, that is the meaning. So something that happening and continuing in future. Example, I will start work at 9 o'clock. That action not even started. I will, he is going to start. I will finish at 5 o'clock. If you start your work at 9 o'clock, then you will finish your work at 5 o'clock. So I will start work at 9 o'clock. I will finish at 5 o'clock. So the action that happening and that action is continuing. Okay. So these two action together we can say I will be working 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. tomorrow. So that is nothing but future continuous. Two actions. One is it. One action is happening and other action it is continuing in the future. Okay. Then here these are the subjects. I will be studying. You will be hearing. We will be listening. They will be observing. She will be maintaining. He will be boycotting. It will be looking. So many verbs you can use along with this subject and we can frame future continuous tense or progressive. Then what are the situations we are using? In different situations, how we can use future continuous or progressive tense. Let us see that. Let us go through depth in that. Continuing for a period. Our school will be attending a meeting from September. That action is continuing. School will be attending a meeting from September. The action not even started. If the action started, that will be continuing in the future. Next one, continue doing moment. At 1 o'clock, I will be writing my English examination. Now you have not yet started. So continue doing that moment also. Such circumstances also we can use future continuous. Then continue together. Continue together. On Tuesday, I'll be giving a demonstration and my daughter will be meeting a client. Two actions are there. One is I'll be giving a demonstration. Next one, my daughter will be meeting a client. Okay. Then polite questions. Will you be guiding me next time? Will you be guiding me next time? Polite way of question. We can use will plus be. Then time maker. What all the words we can use? Tomorrow, next week, on Monday, in summer, in winter, at 9 o'clock. This time maker also. These words also we can use in future continuous tense. So these given sentences, what you understand? Will be plus attending. So here future continuous will or shall plus be plus ing form. Be plus ing form. Okay. So here all you could see will be attending. Then here will be writing. Here will be giving. Here will be meeting. Here will you be guiding. Will be guiding. Then that others are other words which we can connect this future continuous and we can write it. Okay. So the structure of future continuous is will or shall plus be plus ing form. Okay. So it's fine. You can go through all these methods and easily you can remember or remind what is future continuous and what are the importance of this and where all we can use different situations. You can remember in your mind. Okay. Okay. So future continuous progressive, what all the situations we are not supposed to use? Just before I told you where all we were using. Now, what all the circumstances we are not supposed to use? One is, as I told you, dynamic verbs or active verbs and stative verbs. Active verbs, it shows actions like learning, studying and all. Stative verbs, it is not so active, maintaining, then preferring, referring, such verbs. First one, emotional way. You will be loving this car. So as per the future continuous concern, will plus be plus ing form. So here you will be loving this car. So loving, this is stative verb. So we are not supposed to use along with loving will be plus ing form. If we use that only correct in future continuous. Then how we have to write? You will love this car. So this is wrong and this is correct. You will love this car. Then mental in our mind, the feeling of our mind. She'll be understanding the problem soon. She'll be understanding. Commonly, will be understanding. Will plus be plus ing form. But this understanding will come under stative verb. So along with stative verb, we cannot use ing form and we cannot treat it under future continuous. So this is wrong. She will understand the problem soon. Okay. Then possessions. She will be having a new computer next month. She will be having. So that is wrong. Then what will be the correct one? She will have a new computer next month. So this is correct. Then other activities. This chain will be costing 50,000 rupees next month. 50,000 rupees. Rupees 50,000 next month. So this chain will be costing. That's wrong. So this is wrong and right. What is right? This chain will cost 50,000 rupees next month. 50,000 rupees 50,000 next month. Okay. Then let us go through how it will be in positive, negative and questions. Positive. These are all the subjects. I, you, we, they, she, he, it. So in English, commonly the subjects we are using all this personal pronouns only. So along with positive will be plus ing form. So will be working, will be jumping, will be running, will be sleeping, anything we can use. Negative, in negative will not be working, will not be running, will not be jumping, will not be activating. Then what is the contraction of this? Won't be. Will not be, won't be we will use. Then question, I, you, we, they, she, he, it. These are subjects. Along with the subject, we can frame the questions by adding will in the beginning and we have to ask in reverse. How? Will I be working? Will you be working? Will they be working? Will she be working? Will he be working? Will it be working? So along with this, except stative verbs, we can use everywhere will plus, be plus, ing form to frame future continuous or future progressive tense. Oh, okay, fine. So, once again you go through. Whenever you are getting time, you just practice many times. Create your own examples and create your works and start practicing at home so that you will be getting soon. So that you will understand what is dynamic verbs and what is stative verbs, and continuously if you go practicing, definitely within a short span of time you will get all the tenses thoroughly and you can speak very well English without any grammatical errors. Okay? Okay, fine. So, let us go through certain short questions. Will Mohana be working with you? Someone asked you. Will Mohana be working with you? Will Mohana be working with you? Yes, she will. Or else, no, she won't. Because contraction. Positive, we won't use contractions. Will they be announcing the result today? Yes, they will. Or no, they won't. Contraction. Will you be attending the meeting? Yes, I will. Or no, I won't. Contraction. Practice exercise. Let us go through positive sentence. How can we use future progressive? I will learn. How can we change into future continuous? I will be learning. I will be learning. They will buy. They will be buying. They will be buying. Negative. We will be taking a train. We won't be taking a train. We won't be. Won't be taking the train. Then, he will be staying at a hotel. Negative. He won't be staying at a hotel. Okay? Then questions. Lata will be calling at 4 o'clock. Lata will be calling at 4 o'clock. It's an answer. Question. What time will Lata be calling? Mohana will be teaching from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. That's the answer. How can you frame the question? When will Mohana be teaching? Question mark. When will she be visiting Simla? Another question. When will she be visiting Simla? After 2 years or now itself? Any question, any answers. How often will she be visiting Simla? Frequently or every month or yearly? Anything else? Okay. So here I would like to remind you one thing. In future continuous or progressive tense, here it is not arising regular or irregular verbs, but here arising stative or dynamic verbs only arising. So here we went through already where all we can use this and where all we must not use, and how can we frame in positive sentence, how can we make in negative sentence, how can we make questions, all the things we went through. So it's fine. So what you have to do? Do more practice at home so that you can get good standard in tenses. Okay, fine. Let us go through like other tense forms. What are the common errors? So first of all, near tenses, what all the troubles we are getting? I can't call it 8 o'clock. I will travel then. Here, will travel. Will travel, that is future symbol. Future symbol. Future, we want future continuous, not future tense symbol. So, I'll be traveling there. Will plus be plus ing form. Spellings. She'll be taking a vacation. Taking, see the spelling? We have to cut off E and we have to use ing. He'll be swimming in the river. Here we have to use CVC rule. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Here see, swim. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So if it comes CVC, what we have to do? Double the last letter. So swimming. Short answers. When they will be fixing the car? That is not the question. That is not the order of a question. What you have to do? When will they be fixing the car? Then we can write question mark. This is not question. Then next one, in contractions, yes, I'll, yes, I'll, yes, I will. That is contraction. Will we use contractions in positive sentences? No, we won't use. So that is wrong. Then you have to write fully, yes, I will. Okay. Here, stative verb. Stative verb, what's the difference between stative verbs and action verbs? Stative verbs, we can only feel it. We can't even show. No. Soon you will be knowing the future continuous tense. Will be knowing. Actually, will be thinking in our mind, and while speaking to someone, knowingly or unknowingly, we'll be using all this verb along with ing form. Yes, I'll be coming, I'll be knowing. You'll be telling like that. But in written part, whenever you are going through stative verbs, you are not supposed to use ing form. So, soon you'll be knowing the future continuous tense. So, will be knowing, that is wrong. Soon you will know. Soon you will know the future continuous tense. Then positive sentence, she'll be visiting Paris next year. Negative sentence, she won't be visiting Paris next year. Then question, will she be visiting Paris next year? Then you can add even when and how often, and you can frame questions. When will you be visiting Paris? Or how long will you be visiting Paris? Such questions also you can use it. Okay. Hence, I hope you may grasp all the tense forms. If not, you can go for reference. You can go for reference. You can make your own examples and you can practice at home. If you need more, you need more practice. So kindly like, share and subscribe the video by clicking the bell icon which is given below. And one more thing, wisdom is always greater than riches. See, however property we have, sometimes it may lose it. It may lose. If you have education in your heart, in your mind, in your hand, will be always getting more and more. So if you want to get education more, language also, it's very, very important. So improve your language well and good, and be proud that you are something greater than anybody else in this world. Thank you. Have a nice day.